Indonesia feeds more than 270 million people, but scientists warn that plastic pollution is quietly entering the nation's food system, one meal at a time. Microplastics are plastic particles smaller than 5 millimeters. They form when larger plastics degrade in sunlight, seawater, and soil. In Indonesia, one of the world's largest plastic waste contributors, these particles do not disappear. Instead, they accumulate. In Indonesia, microplastics move through food systems in several ways. Coastal fisheries are exposed through contaminated seawater. On land, microplastics have been detected in agricultural soils and irrigated fields, including rice-growing regions. Food processing and plastic packaging add another layer of exposure. Studies in Indonesia have identified microplastics in fish sold at coastal markets, in drinking water, salt, and even plant-based foods. This makes dietary intake one of the country's most important exposure pathways. Microplastics have been detected in human biological samples in Indonesia, particularly among coastal communities with high seafood consumption. Laboratory studies suggest particles might trigger inflammation and cellular stress, though scientists stress that long-term health effects are still under investigation. Researchers highlight solutions that matter for Indonesia: reducing single-use plastics, improving waste and wastewater management, redesigning food packaging, and strengthening food safety monitoring to limit plastics from farm to plate. Plastic pollution doesn't end when it reaches the sea. In Indonesia, it comes back to us through the food that we rely on every day.